Experience pure gaming joy with Donkey Kong Bonanza on the Nintendo Switch 2 in 2025. This game isn't just fun, it's a reason to buy the console. Smash, bash, and explore a destructible world as Donkey Kong, with Pauline by your side. The innovative gameplay focuses on destruction as a core mechanic, offering a cathartic and rewarding experience. Discover hidden secrets, collect Bonandium gems, and dress up DK and Pauline in stylish outfits. While the camera can be awkward and the climbing controls a bit loose, the overall experience is phenomenal. Donkey Kong Bonanza pushes the Switch 2's hardware, creating a visually stunning and dynamic world. Don't miss out on this must-have game. Check the video description for purchase links. Experience the power and recklessness of Donkey Kong today. This review covers everything you need to know about Donkey Kong Bonanza for Nintendo Switch 2 in 2025. Find the best deals in the description below.